Dear participants, dear friends, it is my pleasure to be with you through this video message today. There has been a lot of ignorance and secrecy around intersex people over the years. In combination with the new possibilities allowed by the development of modern biomedicine, this has led to the adoption of pathologizing approach towards intersex people. They were described as abnormal and in need of being fixed to correspond to the perceived norm of male and female bodies. My role as the Council of Europe Commissioner for Human Rights has been to show the need for another approach, one that is anchored in protecting the human rights of intersex people. Human rights are not legal, technical concepts. They have a direct impact on the way we are able to conduct our lives. Intersex people, you, have the same rights as everyone else. You have the right to physical integrity. You have the right to make decisions about your own bodies based on full consent, formulated with unbiased and non-discriminatory information. You have the right to health. You have the right not to be discriminated against or subjected to violence because of your sex characteristics. You have the right to fully participate in society as equal citizens and to be recognized before the law. You have the right to justice for the harms you suffered because of being intersex. And the best interests of intersex children must be protected at all times. Adopting a human rights approach changes everything. Already in 2015, my predecessor published a report to raise awareness of member states and society about intersex people and the human rights challenges they face. I, in turn, have advocated for the reform of laws and administrative and judicial procedures that lead to exclusion and discrimination. And the approach and legal framework are finally starting to change for intersex people in Europe. In 2022, in a decision on the admissibility of a case against France, the European Court of Human Rights explained why so-called sex-normalizing surgeries performed without consent constitute a violation of the right to be free from inhuman and degrading treatment under the European Convention on Human Rights. 6 European states have now moved to prohibit these non-vital surgeries conducted on children without informed consent, and others are working on it. The Council of Europe will start working this year on a new recommendation which will articulate concrete measures for member states to respect and promote the human rights of intersex people. None of this would have happened without the work of courageous intersex human rights defenders, some of whom are in Paris today. I paid tribute to their dedication, courage, and commitment. I wish you all a productive and joyful community event.